Hello everybody, this is the video summary of the day number 2 at the rooms meeting here in Luxembourg. Very brief. Yesterday we had 3 presentations in the morning dealing with different topics, for example, radon diffusion coefficient, interesting presentation delivered by Martin Jiranek from the Czech Republic. He is a real expert on this type of measurements of radon diffusion coefficient through membranes. The Portuguese colleagues also presented an interesting international project on training that is done in collaboration with a university in Spain. At the end of the meeting, so we announce where it's going to be rooms next year. And the winner is Portugal. So rooms 2024 will be in the country Portugal. There is no yet decision about the city or the dates, but please check periodically the website of the European Radon Association, www.radoneurope.org, where we will post all the information regarding rooms 2024. After the meeting, we had some social events, an excursion to a water plant here in the city of Luxembourg, a really interesting excursion, and at the end of the day, we had the official conference dinner in a fantastic restaurant with a fantastic overview of all Luxembourg. So thank you very much to the organizers and welcome you all next year in 2024 rooms in Portugal. Bye bye.